Hello, my name is Joe. I'm the Parts and Equipment Manager here at Verdun Tarps. Today, I'd like to take this opportunity to discuss with you our 4-piece steel set. This set consists of 4 tarps, all of which are 16 by 18s with a flap. It will give you your 4-foot drops. This set is ideal for all low-profile loads on your set of B-trains. This tarp is made out of black vinyl-coated PVC material. It has webbing reinforced hems with rope. We use number 4 brass grommets approximately every 24 inches, and it has durable heat welded seams. Each tarp has 2 rows of box stitch stainless steel D-rings with wear flaps that are approximately 2 feet apart running down the length. Individually, each tarp weighs 45 pounds. It is rot, UV, oil, and mildew resistant. Performs incredibly well in low temperatures. It has a cold crack of -40. Our tarps are made out of 18-ounce black vinyl material and has a 20 mil thickness. Thank you again for checking out this video. And please don't forget, for all your tarping needs, we have you covered.